Jane, I am so sick of the virus. The 6-year-old boy looked up at me. I continued to guide the group of children along the path into the woods. There wasn't a clipboard, worksheet, pencil, or plan. My one requirement was that we walked quietly, using our senses to fully appreciate where we were. On the first day, I taught them the names of the trees and flowers. They then naturally shared this knowledge with any new arrivals. We passed our favorite magical oak tree, which had a new story each day. "We've arrived," they'd say, then head off and play. 14 children exploring holes, logs, climbing trees, and making mouse dens. The sun filtered through on the scene and highlighted what was needed more than ever for our children: the healing power of nature. Nature knows. Thank you, Jane, for sharing your story.